guys, so today I'm gonna show you this really easy scrub that you can make at your home. And for this scrub you just need sugar and lemon, which is available in your house. This scrub helps to remove your dead skin cells and dark spot and also brightening your skin. So let's start it. For this scrub you need sugar and lemon. Take a bowl of sugar and add this lemon juice. And now mix it well, and this scrub is ready. And now just apply it all over your face. Lemon is an excellent source of vitamin C, which is known to even skin tone and can also lighten open pores, and it also helps to reduce a dark spot, and it's also fight with acne. And sugar has anti-aging properties, which helps in removing dead skin cells and dull skin cells from your face. And now wait for 10 minutes. Now generally scrub your face. Scrub it in a circular motion. And wash it with a lukewarm water. You can see the final result. Also, you can use this scrub twice in a week. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. Then please do like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.